CAD of a simple kitchen. First, we import our DXF file from our template. Then we rotate our countertop to ortho on the sink. We delete the 4 lines that were used for our ProLiner check. We join all the corners together with a fillet. Then we extend the sides to the walls. We continue around the countertops with a fillet and our extend. Now we do a dimension check. We compare our dimensions to the notes that came back from our template. If these all look good, then we will continue with our overhangs. We use the offset command to offset the front edge 1.5 inches. We mark the sink with a perpendicular line from the front edge. We offset both sides of the stove, and I've found it useful to draw a line from one end to the other and then split that line between the 2 points of the stove. This allows us to draw a perpendicular line in the center, easily finding the center of the stove. A 15-inch offset both directions, and then we're able to double check how close we are. Just right. We then can delete those 2 lines, they're not necessary. We continue to fillet and to overhang. At the refrigerator, I use a 1/8 inch overhang off the end of the cabinet face. We split the scribe line on the wall and then change the layer to slab. We add a 1-inch overhang at the end of the cabinet. We can now draw our backsplashes in using the 3-point rectangle command. Our top should be finished at this point. Now we can label all the appliances and every edge. Now we hide our template symbols. We will not need them. It's time to dimension all the tops. This is useful for the shop, the install crew, and also the sales team. After I dimension, I fillet the corner to the proper radius. I do this after because it's much easier to dimension the workpiece with square corners. It's time to print our paperwork for the shop and the install crew. We're not quite done yet. We still need to place these tops on a slab. Let's mark the location of each backsplash so we know where they go when it's time to install. I'll group all the pieces together so I can easily move them around. It's time to bring our picture in. We use Add Picture Plane command and the 3-point option. We then accurately scale the picture. We label the material name. And then we draw a border around our slab. We now can cut out our slab from the background. Let's place our countertops on the slab. We'll check to make sure there isn't any spots we'd like to avoid. At this point, we can export to a DXF file that the CAM software can use. CAD of a simple kitchen. Thanks for watching.